Hey Atlanta property viewers, today we are on the south side of Atlanta in Union City at a new construction townhome community, Enclave at Whitewater Creek. These new construction townhomes are built by direct residential properties, and this is the Lenox floorplan. This floor plan is 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, 1,817 square feet. Properties in this neighborhood start in the low 300s. If you have any interest in real estate in the Atlanta metro area, please don't hesitate to call or text me. My contact and consultation link is below. Please enjoy this property tour. Thank you so much for watching. If you're looking to relocate to the Atlanta metro area, give me a call or text me. I can't wait to become your lifetime realtor.